Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to remove duplicate contacts on your iPhone. Here are the simple steps to delete or merge double contacts on iPhone. First, open the Phone app or the Contacts app on your iPhone. Tap Contacts at the bottom. Scroll through your list and look for any duplicate entries. Select one of the duplicate contacts to open it. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down and choose Link Contacts, sometimes shown as Link Contacts. Search and select the matching duplicate contact. Then tap Link. Finally, tap Done to save the merged contact. Repeat these steps for any other duplicates you find. If you want to delete duplicates instead of merging them, open the duplicate contact. Tap Edit. Scroll down and tap Delete Contact. Confirm by tapping Delete Contact again. If you have many duplicates, go to Settings, then Apps, then Contacts and Open Accounts. Check if multiple email accounts are syncing contacts. Turn off contacts for any account you don't want to sync. When prompted, tap Delete from My iPhone to stop duplicates from appearing again. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching.